Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to play this simple groove. It's a simple Makossa groove. I'll be doing it in the key of F sharp. Alright, so I just used that song as an example. So the progression of the song is that's the 1, the 4, 5, 4, 1, our regular Makossa progression. Alright, so let me quickly show you the groove on my right hand. It's like this. So it has some minor notes. First thing, you want to start with the 1 to the 4 to the 3. And you keep your hands like this so that you can quickly hit the notes, because you are starting with this index finger. So the 1, 3, 5, flat 6, 6. Immediately you hit the 6, your pinky finger hits the 4. Let me take that again. That's the first part. The next part, so the 6, flat 7, 7, and the 5 here. Then you start going back. 7, flat 7, 6, 4. Then 6, flat 6, 5, 3. Everything together. Then you repeat. The left hand, simple progression from so by the time you play, by the time you hit this note, your left hand is supposed to be at the 4 chord. Then when you get to, you're supposed to be on the 5 chord. Then coming back, the same thing. So let me try to play the both hands together slowly. You can play it like off timing. Instead of playing, you play. And if you play that fast, you get something like this. Sorry. Now let me quickly show you in the key of F for those of you that play F. It's very simple. It's almost similar to F sharp. So remember 1, 3 to the 5. This time around we are using the thumb. Now for those that play in key of C, remember we are starting with the 1, 3. So your hand will be like this. 1, 3 to the 5. So the same thing with the left hand. Alright, this was a quick tutorial, so God bless you.